What is up, guys? Hello guys, today we are gonna unbox something from Sarawak. I got it from Skynet in Seri Iskandar. Okay, we are going to cut this with my cutter. I bought this from Daiso. RM5.60. Okay, one edge, the second edge, beautiful. Then we cut the middle. Oh, perfect. Okay, we see inside there is a kain. Very nice.
What is a kain?
A piece of cloth. We can use it to lap the floor.
What is lap?
To rub the floor.
What rub? Wipe?
Wipe the floor.
Oh.
Sorry, my English not advanced. We got some paper for writing.
Is that a pun? Or
Really? Oh no! Oh wow! Some shoes! Ooh,
some shoes?
from Nike!
Oh, you just got two pairs of shoes and then you
yeah.
say some shoes.
Hello? Hello? Who's that? Oh! Look at this. Look at this. It's very nice, man. I think I will wear this to school. Oh, with the Velcro. Oh, like your B-first shoes from primary school.
Yeah.
And then you also got the lace, like your secondary school shoes.
So
Very
it's
beautiful.
a 2-in-1 shoe.
Yes, 2-in-1.
Okay.
You can choose whatever you want. Very beautiful.
So describe a little bit about the shoe.
The shoe, it is size 13 US and 12 UK. That is my foot because I have a huge foot.
Oh, you have a huge foot, only one big foot.
I
What?
have two huge foots.
No, oh my god, what's wrong with your English, man? What has become with your English?
Don't insult my English.
Two
Man.
huge feet, man.
Oh yeah, two huge feet. Thank you, cameraman. And then I also have another piece of cloth to wipe the ceiling because the floor already wiped with this cloth, but I have two cloth, so one more for the ceiling.
What's wrong with the ceiling?
The ceiling got a bit dust, if you can see, but I don't think so.
Okay.
And then what's left in the box is just some paper again.
What? In the box?
Yeah, in the box. And then if you see in the box, there is empty.
So what are you going to use the box to do with? Huh?
I think I will make it like that.
Oh, so what is in this box?
Okay, I'm glad you asked. Okay, we bring the paper here, and then if you can see, there are more paper in this box.
Oh my god.
So this box, the function is to be a trash can.
Oh.
But it's not a trash can, it's a trash box.
Oh, okay.
So we put the paper here. Voila! Done.
So describe a little bit about your shoe.
Okay. So my shoe, it has a Velcro strap again. And then if you can see at the side of the shoe, where is it? Wait, let me find it, man.
Oh.
Okay, I don't think you can see it, but there is 93552 here. See that? 93552.
What is that for?
I don't know what's the meaning, but it has something to do with the player of this shoe, which is Paul George.
Okay.
As you can see his signature here, Paul George.
Oh, so should I tag Paul George in this video?
Yes, you should.
Okay.
Very.
So are you like giving a shout out to Paul George?
Yeah, shout out to my homie out there, huh?
Grant's chin, they both go down. 4-on-4. The floor spread. And George flexing. And after he packs it. Wow, and he took quite a hit.
George. O'Neal goes down. George. Oh, he's not human. What a shot.
Almost gets another one to go.
Oh!
You see Derek Carr jumped up. Oh no, he didn't.
Paul George,
Is that it?
this is a tribute for you.
Oh my god, that's a fail.
And that is on purpose.
Show it, man. Show it. Show the grip. Oh.
Oh, the grip. Oh.
Ooh, okay.
I will buy.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all. So
Okay.
thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next unboxing video.